2017 Nissan NISMO. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got the factory converters, one in the manifold and a secondary there. Then he ordered 2JZ or 2J racing kit. 2.5 all the way back that we just got installed for him. Comes with that stainless steel oval tip right there. There's the old system that was on it right there that we took off and bolted on this system for him. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2017 Sentra NISMO. There's the decibels on it. Go ahead. About 97, 98. Not too bad.